Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout, and my background is basil cardstock, and this one is too cute. So when we were moved, I believe this was when we were already moved in, and then I was unpacking boxes. Sabrina, I put one of the cloth that we use to wrap like our fragile stuff like TVs and stuff, and I just laid it over a box, and she made it a bed, and it was really cute. So I took a picture. Come on, come on, come on, Reese. Come here, kitty, kitty. Come on. Sabrina's not gonna bother you. Okay, she's not gonna bother you. Here. Is that what you're looking for? Hey, Sabrina. Here, you want this? Alright, you want this? It's Theo you gotta watch out for, Reese. Not Sabrina. Okay? Let me just throw this over here. Out of the way. And then those have to get washed. Alright, sorry guys. Theo, for whatever reason, likes to bother and attack poor Reese, so she is always on the defense. Here, Sabrina, you want that? Anyway, so the house pattern is Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home, while my die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home as well. The stickers are Vicky Boonton's from the Pass kit. So I'm trying to use those up. This must have been a day where I did scrapbooking after work, because there was one day that I did said, you know what, I used to sit there, and that was my stress reliever, was to come home and just get lost on my scrapbooking, and I don't take the time to do that when I get home anymore. So I think this particular day, Alex wasn't home, Mateo went to go watch his show, and so I thought, you know what, I'm going to script something I haven't done forever, is I'm going to scrapbook. So, anyway, puffy stickers are going to be Amy Tangerine, and I will use those in a second. So, I do need to go mow my lawn. I might go do that. And then I thought about using those butterflies, but I decided not to. And I'm going to... Here's the Amy Tangerine puppy stickers that I decided to use. And then after I do this, then I do my title. Oh, yep, that was the day after work, because that was an outfit that I did wear to work. My paper keeps flying away. Alright, so now for my title, and I'm going to use 2 and then cute. So 2 is American Crafts picnic stickers and cute is American Crafts sweet pea stickers. And that completes my layout. So thank you for watching, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye guys.